So this is me practicing how to turn off lights and turn them back on for the baseball season, 2021 season. So I'm gonna practice how to turn them off and turn them back on. So this is what it looks like when they go off. And then it's like I can control my own stadium lights. Hold on. Here goes the lights again. I'm gonna turn off. And then turn them back on again. But yeah, this is what I'll be doing when there's fireworks and baseballs. This is what I'll be doing. This is what I'll be doing when there's this is what I'll be doing when there's hold on. This is what I'll be doing when there's fireworks after baseball games. Okay. Yeah, that's what my seats look like. Okay, so this is what I'll be doing when there's baseball. This is what I'll be doing when there's fireworks after every baseball game this season. So yeah. Alright, bye. I almost forgot about these stadium lights, but these are also stadium lights. These are also stadium lights. Hold on. As you can see, there's more lights. As you can see, there's some more light. So, this is the other stadium light. I'm gonna turn these ones off. And these are the old lights. Well, I'm still gonna use these lights, by the way. I am gonna still be using these lights. I'll be using these stadium lights, and I'll be using these bright ones, and hold on. I'll be using these bright lights for. I'll be using these bright lights for when there's no fireworks, and then I'll be using these lights. I'll be using these lights for when there's fireworks. So for when baseball stadiums count down for the fireworks. Sorry about that. For when there's fireworks, when the baseball stadiums count down for fireworks, I can just turn off the lights like this. Everybody counting it down. This is what I'm gonna do when there's fireworks in baseball season. This is what I'm gonna do when they count down for fireworks. Counting it down in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Fireworks! So yeah, that's what I'll be doing when baseball stadiums count down for fireworks. So yeah. Bye. This is my stadium light video.